Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken Parmesan casserole in the Ninja Speedi. Alright, I'm starting out my Speedi. I'm going to add 1 pound of rigatoni noodles. And I have a 24-ounce jar of pasta sauce here. I'm going to add that in. And this is going to be a quick and easy one, guys. And I'm going to fill this jar up about halfway with water. See if that's enough water for in there. Give this a shake to get all that excess or remaining sauce out of the jar. I'm going to need a little more water in there. So it's almost a full jar of water. Now let me grab a spoon and give that a stir. And the reason I'm not sure about this is because this is the first time I've really done this recipe in a Speedi. It's meant for to be done in the oven. Alright, now I'm going to take the tray that comes with it, pull the little feet out so it sits up top. Alright, now in a bowl here I scrambled 2 eggs. I'm going to add some of my Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic seasoning in there. Season up the eggs. Only about a teaspoon. And I have some Italian seasoned breadcrumb. I'm using this grated Parmesan cheese in a can. I'm going to add about a tablespoon in there, a little more. If it went that well seasoned. Let me grab a dry fork. Give that a stir. Get the cheese well combined in with the breadcrumb. And I have some boneless, skinless chicken breast here. I'm going to take 2 of them because that's all we're going to need. And if you can buy the family size pack, do that because it's cheaper per pound that way. You can just freeze the rest. And I'm going to go ahead and dip that in the egg. Get it nice and well coated. And then dip that into the seasoned breadcrumb. Get that all coated with that breadcrumb. Get some up in here. And I'm going to take these and I'm going to lay them on the top tray. So right now that I have my chicken in, I'm going to take some olive oil and spray the chicken. This will help it get nice and golden brown. And if you don't have one of these sprayers, guys, just use some of the canned cooking spray. Canola, any type will do. I'm going to close my lid down. Switch this from air fry up to rapid cook. Alright, I'm going to turn my Speedi on. We're at Speedi meals where we need to be. 390 is our temperature. I'm going to set my time for 15 minutes. Halfway through the cooking process, I'll go in, I'll turn that chicken over, and I'll spray the other side of the chicken with some olive oil to brown that side. Right now that my chicken's done, you can see how nice and golden brown I got. It took about an extra 2 minutes or so because it's so thick to get it to the proper temperature, 165. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to slice this. Right now that I have my chicken all cut up, my pasta's done. I'm going to give this a stir. Get it nice and mixed around here. Moisten it up. Now I'm going to take that chicken. I'm going to put that on top of the pasta. Spread this out. And I'm going to put some cheese on this. Now I have some Italian style cheese left over. I'm going to put that on there. Spread it around evenly. And I have some shredded mozzarella cheese. That mozzarella is going to melt nicely in there. You put a generous amount of cheese on here, guys. Now you could also do this in the oven as casserole, because that's how this is meant to be done. but this is quicker and easier this way. I'm going to close my lid down and switch my switch from rapid cook to air fry. I'm going to turn this on. It's set on air fry. I'm going to turn my temperature up to 400 and I'm going to give it 5 minutes. That'll melt that cheese and start to brown it up. Guys, this one for 3 minutes. See how nice and golden brown it is? The cheese is melted. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. I'm going to start with some of this pasta. Nice and tender. The sauce cooked into the pasta. We'll try a piece of this chicken. I'm going to cut into that. And guys, this is cheesy. Let me try this. Chicken's moist, tender, well seasoned. Guys, that was really easy and really delicious. You see, I really didn't do any cutting other than slicing that chicken up. Chicken Parmesan casserole and a Ninja Speedi. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.